Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this clothing rack. This is a drying rack that's portable or just really compact. You can store it away with ease and it's not going to take up much space and it's super easy to set up. There's no assembly, so let me show you that process.
Here's how it looks when fully collapsed. It's not heavy, so it's easy to transport, and it can be stored upright thanks to the widened base. To get it opened up, just press in on the tab and pull upwards to allow the legs to drop out. Then simply pull each leg outward to lock it in place. The 4 legs make this nice and sturdy, even on my uneven yard. And this does have wheels, making it an easy option to move around that way, but they also have locks to keep it from rolling. Or when outdoors, you can use the provided windproof nails to stake it to the ground. The long clothing racks store away inside and just pull up and out to be used. There are 16 in total, and each one has 4 holes to hang up your items. They feel durable and give plenty of space between each item, and when you're done, just lift it up and slide it back in. Then there's the top extension. To get this out, just pull out on the locking tab and lift the piece up until it snaps in place. Then you can raise the little racks and expose the built-in clothespins. Now, to release these and put them back for storing is just as simple. Press in on the release button above each rack arm and it will drop down, and then pull out on the locking tab so the extension piece can be pushed down and tucked away. So I love how quick and easy this is to set up and how durable it feels. I'm able to dry a large load of laundry with it, and it accommodates a wide range of items. I appreciate having it on hand for when I can't use my dryer or if I need a more gentle drying option, plus it helps save on energy costs. So if you were looking for an incredibly convenient drying rack with a large capacity but compact design, this is a remarkable choice. I would definitely give this a try.